unfailing sources of refuge, the three jewels, and hosts of root and lineage gurus whose kindness is beyond compare. I pray to you from the depths of my heart. Inspire me with your blessings. Always hold me in your compassion without ever wavering. In the knowledge that devotion lies at the root of the path, as I take love and compassion as the path's foundation, and diligently apply myself to the twin stages of generation and completion, may the three jewels and the gurus always watch over me with compassion. As I take the yoga of threefold solitude as a foundation, and thoroughly exert myself in the practice of the three vajras, may all adversity be pacified and favorable conditions abound, and may I develop the qualities of experience and realization. With the profound view of realizing the natural state, profound meditation in which experience is plentiful, and excellent conduct of the six transcendent perfections, may I train in the path that delights the victorious ones. May the virtue and excellence that spring from the noble deeds of the Guru, Lord of Dharma, the Omniscient One and his heirs, increase. And may the precious teachings, in explanation and in practice, flourish and increase ever further, just like the waxing moon.